Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you a new promo code, two new promo codes for citizenwatch.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is, you will get 25% off. So the code number one is ADAM25. This is the code number one. Now I'm moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is, you will get 25% off, 10% off. So the code number two is DPF10. Yeah, this is the code number two. Simply use these promo codes and get your rewards. So these were the only available value code right now. So redeem these codes and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.